Are you struggling to pay your water bills? If so, we could help to reduce your water bill by up to £250. Here at Welsh Water, we understand it can be a challenge to pay your water bill. As a not-for-profit organisation, we offer a number of schemes to help make it easier for you to pay. For example, our Helpy scheme could save you around £250 off your water and sewerage bill. It's available to customers whose total household income is £15,000 a year or less. Our Watershore Wales scheme is available to you if you have a water meter fitted. It supports low-income households with a large family. It also helps households who have a family member with a medical condition needing a significant use of water. If you have not been able to pay your bills in full, our Customer Assistance Fund could help. This scheme helps customers pay their ongoing current charges, as well as helping to clear debt by paying off some of the money owed. Finally, our Water Direct scheme takes away the hassle of paying your bills. It allows customers to pay directly through their benefits. If you sign up, we will even reduce your bill by £25. We have a team of people at Welsh Water whose priority is to help to make your bill more affordable. We will help to choose the best scheme for you, resolve any issues you may have, and always deal with your case with sensitivity and discretion. So, if you are worried about paying your bill, pick up the phone to us on 0800 052 0145 and ask to speak to your affordability team. Or visit our website to apply online. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.